I'm only one of many groundskeepers in all these different spaces that do this job for someone's ideal image when that image isn't even backed by what's truly healthy for this environment. So it's really up to me as a worker to tune in on that and understand, how do I take care of myself, because this workplace isn't taking care of me.
The workers are the ones that really understand all these processes because we're so close to it, right? And there's no collaboration, there's no want from the organization that you work for to then ask you, hey, what do you think about that? But really, we're the source to get it from. When the old leaves fall, that's the tree's mechanism to help it continue to thrive season after season. All the leaves will break down, decompose, and that becomes food. But look, my job is to go in there on Mondays and Fridays and leaf blow all of that and then put it into a dumpster. It has me questioning labor all the time, especially for an institution where their whole basis for me getting rid of this is their image. I'll just stay on campus. It doesn't have to go anywhere.
As an employee at Pitzer in general, they want you to be invisible.
Yeah, exactly.
They want you to seem invisible to the rest of the community.
Right.
But a big point of this film is you talking about your experience, you bringing your story
And that,
to life that has been invisible.
Like, I'm uprooting this living thing right here. All the work that it took to get there, the seed to get there, for it to like germinate, for it to become like a living thing. One swoop like that, it's all gone now. Sort of a parallel to like what this job is. Our workers are completely uprooted all the time. The natural act of soil is to create conditions for seeds to come so that a community can thrive. And look at how it fills up all the spaces. Like, it's such a good plant for the soil itself because it creates a cover for the soil, because it's covering it from the sun, covering it from runoff, rain, the cold even. It keeps the soil warm. Like, all these plants keep the soil warm. So it's just a trip that my job is to like then, okay, see you later, dude.
Bro, it's crazy.
Dude, come on, Jacob, we gotta add that in. I love that part. That makes it pretty clear. These plants are working symbiotically with the soil. The soil wants these plants to grow. It's only human intervention that doesn't want these plants to grow. And so here I am again, just like using my labor to get rid of these things when they're gonna come back again. This system in place, like what I have to do when I'm being told to do, it's not evolving. But these plants are evolving all the time. I got yellow perfection. This is legitimately the best tomatoes of your life.
Pitzer wants students especially to just see you as just like a plant.
But that's what we're doing, is we're changing that mechanism.
Yeah.
That's not sustainable, it's not healthy.
I'm able to especially break through that as a student. Mm-hmm. Not only do I want to get to know you, I want to like do cool shit with you, bro.
We're creating something. It's more than what they are, which is all superficial. Mm-hmm. We're getting down and deep into what we are as people.
When community is formed, beautiful art, beautiful projects, beautiful progress can be made.
And then once this gets flowered, it turns into this freaking pea pod. This is just a flower of a lettuce. And then all these seed pods start coming out after the flower gets pollinated. Once this falls, like it dies, it fall. Look how long it reaches to the ground. And then it's gonna spread all those seeds. It doesn't need anybody to do that for it. There's no intervention here. There's no digging a freaking arm-sized hole. It's so natural to want to disrupt life like this, because look at all the effort it takes to take it away. It's this resilient for a reason. It's not by chance that it has this much like integrity. Friggin' fire ass tomatoes.
How can I grow as a valued person of this community? How can I then take that growth, find my purpose in life, and help inspire other people?
You know, from someone that's experienced a little bit of what you're talking about, I want to share with you that this goes beyond where you are in Pitzer. You can carry this on for the rest of your life, and it all counts. I think it all counts.